Hi friends, and welcome back. It's Mrs. Vincent. Today we were working on lesson 17. So as always, I'm going to tell you, you need your workbook. You should be looking at a little girl's head. You're also going to need 4 crayons today. We need black, orange, red, really similar, so make sure you grab the correct colors. Black, orange, red, and green. 4 crayons for today. If you need to pause the video in order to collect any of your materials, please do so now. For those that are ready. The last time we did this one, I gave you some really silly coloring rules, and we had a head that looked very strange. Today, I am not going to give you any specific coloring rules. I think you're already pretty good at the parts of a head, okay? So what I will say to you is, if you look closely, those eyes, there are some dotted lines. It's a little hard to see in the video. Remember, anytime you see those dotted lines, it means trace in pencil. Trace first in pencil. And then my coloring rule to you is you must color the entire head. Sometimes it's a may do. Today, it's a must do. You need to color her eyes, her nose, her mouth, her hair. Skin color is fine. You can choose brown skin, apricot, peach, white, however you choose, whatever crayon you choose to use. The whole picture must be colored. That's my rule for that picture. Here's the next one, down at the bottom. So you're gonna come back and finish this one later. Just color it however you want, but the whole thing needs to be colored. Down at the bottom, I do have more specific rules for this one. There are 2 coloring rules for this picture. We are at a beauty parlor, a salon, a barber shop, again, whatever you choose to use. And all of those words are called synonyms. They mean the same thing. It's a place where typically people go to get their hair done in some way. But in this case, it's animals. We have some dogs. That's a little bit absurd. Dogs and cats at the beauty parlor. Dogs and cats can get their hair and fur treated, but not at a beauty parlor normally. Here is your coloring rule for this absurd picture. Your first one is for that black crayon. You're gonna make a mark on any furniture that you see black. Now, the one that kiddos often forget is the countertop. It is a piece of furniture, okay? The chairs that they're sitting in, that is furniture. So you're going to make a mark on any furniture black. Go ahead and pause the video in order to make those marks. Your next coloring rule is for your red crayon. Again, we have red and orange, so make sure you've got the correct color. This one is for your containers. If you can put things in it, it's a container. And there's a whole bunch of them scattered around. Okay, so I went back and made my marks. So this is one of the containers. Now the other thing to talk about is this one here. Some kiddos consider a sink to be a piece of furniture. You're not wrong, okay? But it's also made to hold things. If you can put things in it, your sink holds water and dishes. So this is another one of those. You can color it black, you can color it red, or you can color it black and red, because it kind of technically is both. All right, that choice is yours, but you're gonna have black furniture and red containers. If you need to pause the video, please do so now. I turned to the back side of that worksheet where you are looking at a beautiful forest with a bear who is smelling the sweet flowers. My coloring rule for this page, we've been talking about the class of plants. If it grows in the ground, it's a plant. And a lot of this picture is going to be this color. Now, what I will caution you is be careful. If it grows in the ground, it's a plant, and you are going to make a mark on him green. You need to make sure, though, that this doesn't turn into a scribble page, because your trees are going to be green, your bushes are going to be green, your grass is going to be green, but you got to make sure that you're still taking your time to color in the lines, okay? Don't turn it into scribble. You do need to pause the video to make marks on all of your plants green. My last coloring rule for you is for your orange crayon. You're going to make a mark On all of your animals, orange. Use those super spy eyes and make sure you don't miss any of those animals. We have green plants and orange animals. Those are the only rules I have for you. If you need to stop the video in order to make that last set of marks, don't forget to go back and color all the way. Most of this picture is going to be colored. All of this picture is going to be colored, okay? So make sure you follow all of those rules for today. Boys and girls, thank you for another wonderful day. And until next time, bye-bye.